Okay, so it says the length of a rectangle is 6 inches more than 7 times the width. The perimeter is 92. Find the length and the width. Okay, so over here on the side, I'm going to have L for length and W for width. I'm going to draw a little rectangle for us. You don't have to draw a rectangle, of course. Okay, and it said, and I'll make this like the width and the length. We have 2 letters, so you know we need 2 equations. First one, the length of the rectangle, L, is, that's beautiful. Anytime they have an is, that's your equal sign, isn't it? 6 inches more than 7 times the width. That's nice. So let's do that one. L is 6 inches more, 6 added to what? 7 times the width, 7W. So there's the first equation. That's nice. Second one, perimeter is 92. Now, what do I do with perimeter? Perimeter. That means around the outside, like they'll say the security guard walked the perimeter of the building. It means all the way around the outside of the building. So perimeter around the outside. So if you wanted to go around the outside of this rectangle, you'd have to do the length, the width. This is width here. The length again and the width again, wouldn't you? See how the perimeter is 2 lengths and 2 widths? L and L, W and W. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 lengths and 2 widths. So it depends on the shape. If you have a triangle, you just add up the 3 sides. If you have a rectangle, you add up the 4 sides, which is 2 lengths and 2 widths. So the perimeter of a rectangle specifically is 2 lengths and 2 widths added up, isn't it? So 2 lengths plus 2 widths, that's perimeter, is equals, right? Is equals 92. There's the equation for the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter, 2 lengths plus 2 widths, is 92. So there's our second equation. You'll do a lot of perimeter. If you're taking Math 10B next semester, you'll do a lot of perimeter and area and volume. It's all geometry. Well, it's not all, but it's a lot of geometry. Okay, so you know what to do now. Step number 1, solve for one letter in one equation. Solve for one letter in one equation. And then step 2, plug that into the other equation. Okay, so solve for one letter. So we already have it, don't we? We already have one letter alone right there. That's easy. We don't have to mess around solving. We've already got the letter alone. So let's go for the second equation. That over here. Try that again. There we go. So 2L, space that a little bit better, plus 2W equals 92. So I'm going to grab that L right here and plug it in right there for L. So we get 2 and then parentheses 6 plus 7W plus 2W is 92. All right, and now we're going to distribute. Boom and boom. 12 plus 14W is 2W plus 2W equals 92. So just like usual with 2 equations, you get one letter alone in one equation, plug into the other. And then these guys will combine as like terms to be, what's that, 16W. It's 92. So here's the wall of separation. So we're going to solve now for W, finish solving for W. Those cancel. 16W is what? 80. Last step, divide by 16. W is 5. So the width is 5. We got the width. And do they want both? They want both. So you know what to do to get the other one right. You just plug in. So I'll just, let's come up here. So step 3, plug W equals 5 in anywhere to find the other letter. Anywhere you want. I'm going to go, what's the easiest thing? There, this one. L equals 6 plus 7W. You could use any of them. 6 plus 7W. So plug in right there for W, the 5. L is 6 plus 7 times 5. L is 6 plus 35. L is 41. There we go. The length is 41. The width is 5. So we solved it. So from the beginning, we had two equations with two letters. It was length is 6 plus 7W, and then the perimeter, which is length, width, right? It's 2 lengths and 2 widths. Added up, that's perimeter, is 92. Then we had one letter alone in the first equation, plug that into the second, and solve it from there. There we go. There's the whole thing. Questions on that one?